I talk with many agencies on a weekly basis, and one of the most common recurring questions that has come up in the last couple of weeks has been, how do we extend the functionality of these AI agents beyond what we can do within the prompt? For example, being able to get inventory from a Shopify store, getting the current stock price from a company, or even getting the current weather from a local city. These are all examples of how the AI agent doesn't inherently have access to live weather data or live stock price data. But through these AI custom functions, we can add third-party code that can be executed and then have the results be returned back to the AI agent. And in this case, we're going to be building these all on Stammer.ai. This instantly extends the functionality to be able to do a bunch of different things. The difference here with an AI custom function is we're going to be able to tell the AI agent when to run this custom function based off of the prompt. And the benefit of doing this on Stammer.ai and not any other platform is you can now sell this as your own software. And because you're creating and writing code, you now have your own custom IP that you can then sell to businesses for a high sum.